Welcome to my Task 3 submission for the Mentor-NES internship program. My name is Sahil Prashar, and I have utilized Power BI to conduct an in-depth analysis of a hotel aggregator dataset. This report aims to provide valuable insights into the distribution of property types, popular neighborhoods, and temporal trends. The findings and recommendations presented here can inform strategic decisions to enhance the aggregator's offerings, improve customer satisfaction, and drive business growth. In this slide we have content of the projects like the project, dataset description, import the data, cleaning the data, visualization of the data, dashboard, analysis of the data, learning from the analysis. In this slide, we have to discuss the introduction of the hotel aggregator dataset. The hotel aggregator platform has revolutionized the way people book accommodations, making it essential for hosts and listings to stay informed about market trends. This project delves into a comprehensive dataset of hotel listings to uncover actionable insights, empower business decisions, optimize listing performance, and elevate guest satisfaction. Through data analysis and visualization, we will identify key trends, patterns, and correlations, providing valuable recommendations to enhance the hotel aggregator's competitive edge. In this slide, we discuss about the objectives. In this we have to extract valuable insights from a large dataset of hotel listings on a hotel aggregator platform, focusing on geographical distribution, pricing and availability trends, host performance, review scores, and property types. In this slide, we discuss about project goals. These are the goals. The first is to identify popular neighborhoods and concentration of listings. The second is to analyze pricing trends and availability patterns. The third is to evaluate host characteristics and their impact on listing performance. The fourth one is to examine review scores and their impact on guest satisfaction. The last one is to identify trends in property types and room preferences. In this slide, we discuss about deliverables. First is interactive Power BI dashboards for visualization and exploration. Second is reports on availability patterns, property and room preferences, and factors influencing guest satisfaction. Third is recommendations for hosts and the aggregator platform to improve their services and listings. These are the skills I improved while doing Task 3. First, data analysis and visualization, Power BI expertise, data storytelling, insight generation and recommendation development. Now we are importing our CSV file. Open Power BI desktop and click on Get Data in the Home tab. Select Text, CSV as the data source. Browse to the location of the dataset file and select it. Click Load or Transform Data to import the data into Power BI. After cleaning the data, click on Close and Apply. Now let's begin with our objectives. In the first objective, we have to visualize the distribution of listings on a map to identify popular neighborhoods. In this, we use the map chart to visualize our latitude and longitude and add neighborhoods in tooltips to know about the popular neighborhoods. In this objective, we explore the geographical concentration of listings and host locations. In this, we use a map chart to know about the concentration of listings with the host location. Our next objective is to analyze pricing trends based on property types, room types, and accommodation capacity. In this, we use the line chart so we can visualize the pricing trends of property, room type and accommodation. Our next objective is to investigate the availability of listings over time and identify peak periods. We are adding a table chart to know about the availability of property type, room type and accommodation. In this objective, we have to evaluate host characteristics, including superhost status, response times, and verification methods. In this, we are adding a table chart to know about the host characteristics and know about the verification method and response time. In this objective, we have to explore correlations between host attributes and listing performance. So in this, we use a table chart to know about the listing performance. As we can see in this slide, our next objective is to examine review scores and their impact on overall listing performance. In this, we use a line chart to know about the month-wise average review. In this objective, we have to identify areas for improvement based on specific review categories. In this, we use Slicer to know about the specific reviews like which property type has low and high reviews. Our next objective is to know about the distribution of property types and room types. In this, we have to use a pie chart so we can see the entire rental unit has high values. In the next objective, we have to explore trends in the popularity of specific accommodation setups. In this, we use a line chart to know about the popularity of accommodation like in which year which property is highly popular for rental purposes. Now we see the dashboard of the hotel aggregator dataset. In this, with the use of a slicer chart, we can know any property's popularity, reviews, price, availability, and host characteristics. In this slide, we discuss the analysis of the dataset 1. Entire rental units dominate. The majority of listings are entire rental units, indicating a strong demand for whole properties. 2. Unique property types are underrepresented. Yurts, barns, boats, and buses have a low presence in the listings, suggesting an opportunity to diversify offerings. 3. 2022 was the most popular year. The highest number of listings were added in 2022, indicating a growing demand for short-term rentals. In this slide, we are going to discuss the recommendation 1. Expand unique property offerings. Invest in adding more diverse property types like yurts, barns, boats, and buses to cater to changing traveler preferences and increase market share. 2. Optimize pricing strategies. Analyze pricing trends and adjust rates accordingly to maximize revenue, especially during peak seasons like 2022. 3. Enhance entire rental unit experiences. Focus on improving the quality and amenities of entire rental units to meet growing demand and increase customer satisfaction. 4. Targeted marketing campaigns. Develop targeted marketing strategies to attract travelers interested in unique properties and entire rental units, highlighting the platform's diverse offerings. 5. Host support and education. Offer resources and training for hosts to improve their listings and services, especially for unique property types, to ensure a consistent and high-quality experience for travelers. Now we can conclude this project. In conclusion, this analysis has revealed valuable insights into the hotel aggregators dataset. The findings highlight opportunities to diversify property types, optimize listings in popular neighborhoods, and capitalize on temporal trends. By implementing these recommendations, the aggregator can enhance its offerings, improve customer satisfaction, and drive business growth. Thank you.